Today, you and I are gonna talk about finding Clara. Hey everybody! Welcome back to Talk About It Tuesdays with me, your host, Jordyn. Okay, so have any of you saw or watched the new movie from Justice Studios called Finding Clara? I know I haven't, so I'm gonna be watching and reacting to it for the first time ever. If you guys did watch the movie, comment down below if you liked it or not, and what was your favorite part. And if you didn't, pull up the movie right now and we can react to it together. So the link to buy and watch Finding Clara is in the description box below. So when you watch it, make sure you come back and tell me how much you loved it and what feelings it made you feel. But first, let's talk about today's tacos. To get into the Nutcracker feel, we have a dessert taco with a chocolate waffle shell, some vanilla ice cream with crushed nuts on the top, and for that extra pop, a little bit of crushed peppermint. These look and smell so delicious. I can't wait to dig in, so let's take a bite. They're so good. Okay, before we start this, I have never ever watched a Nutcracker film or like a Nutcracker ballet, so I have no idea what's gonna happen. Okay, let's keep watching.
Going into an audition is...
Okay, so all I know right now is that these girls are working super hard. It's so crazy. It's really inspiring for girls our age to be doing this. So I'm super happy that this happened. This is amazing.
Going into an audition is very nerve-wracking, but you get to share what you have to offer.
Sorry I keep pausing, but I would be so scared up on that stage. I don't know how they could do that in front of so many people. I'd be really scared.
Work ethic is usually not an issue for these young artists, but it's balancing time. That is the hardest thing.
Oh, hello. I can really relate to this because I have so much stuff always going on. Like I have piano classes, I have robotics, I have gardening, and I have schoolwork after school, and I still need to make time with my families and my friend. So it's just really complicated. So this advice on balancing time really helps.
It gets to be your entire life, and if you're a kid, you need to have time to be a kid too. Like, you need to go trick-or-treating on Halloween, you need to go to a school dance, you know, you need to do those things to be a complete person.
I've been thinking about it, and I really love how supportive the families are for these girls. I don't know if I would be able to do my dream if my mom wasn't supporting me. So this is amazing because she supports me on everything.
And the energy is so much fun. We're all getting ready, getting our hair done, working on our makeup, putting our costumes on, and going over all the choreography and all the corrections that we've had all these months, working together to put on the best show that we possibly can.
I am really in love with this because these girls are just working so hard, and it's so empowering and uplifting and just inspiring because they work so hard, and now their day is here, and it's just amazing. You guys have to watch the movie if you haven't watched it. It's incredible how it really teaches you that you can chase your dreams and you get there. They've been working hard throughout the whole movie, and now they're at the beautiful theater, and I really love this movie. Okay guys, so this movie was so amazing. It's definitely a must-watch. I just love it so much. It's just so inspiring. Just makes me want to go practice the piano right now and do my crafts and just work on those things to feel how these girls feel. Okay guys, so make sure you subscribe so you never miss another Taco Tuesday, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another upload. Make sure you comment down below what your favorite taco is, so maybe I'll try it in the next Taco Tuesdays. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me. See you next week. Bye!